going on, everybody? This is my desktop. Oh my god, voice meter, what are you doing?
Today, as you can see, I'm booting freaking Granny. Okay, so because I'm a pussy at this game, I'm playing on easy mode with Spider-Mom off, okay? But in exchange, Grandpa's coming with her. So we'll see how quickly I can beat the game, see if I can get a sub 10. Usually I just play normal mode with Spider-Mom on and try and speedrun normal. I'm not a big hard mode fan. I think it kind of sucks because it doesn't really change anything apart from like extra locks. It's just kind of boring. But we in this bitch. Playhouse key? I never get that like early, dude. I just have to grind for that. What the fuck are you guys doing? We're fucking doing dishes, dude. That's so funny. Maybe I'm a monster. So we've got the cutting pliers, which is nice. Oh my god! We're in a bit of a pickle here, guys. Holy shit. Okay. Probably fine. Okay. Probably gonna be fine. Okay, this is literally all I can use the cutting pliers for. What are these guys doing? That's nice. So Granny's on her way. Oh shit. Oh my god! Don't shoot me! Jesus fucking Christ. FPS Granny. A cogwheel. Ooh, nice. Shit, I'm doing literally everything incorrectly right now. 2. Remember that, it's 2. Bye, nerd. Nothing. What if I pepper spray Granddad?
I got this!
We may never fucking know. Bruh. Where was the book spawn? I don't wanna stay. I just wanna go home. I don't wanna stay. Get me down! Let's go! Holy shit! We've. Did he just turn that on? He's listening to bangers, bro. Bro's basically disabled now. Shotgun part? Would making the shotgun genuinely be like viable right now? I'm gonna try go for it actually. Missing one piece of the puzzle. Not really getting anything done here. Oh my god, bro. How am I gonna go upstairs? How am I actually gonna go upstairs? Bro, she's slow. Get over here. Fuck you painting. Oh my god.
Would it revert, eh?
Oh my god, what do I do in that situation? What do I do? He has a fucking gun, dude. I'm so cooked. I'm actually so fucking cooked, bro. I'm restarting here because this seed is ass. This seed is ass. Okay, we're gonna continue. I just want one fucking item I can actually use. Like the wire cutter spawn was good. That's appreciated, but the wire cutters don't do fucking anything until I get the hammer. Okay. I don't wanna stay at Granny. Holy shit. What the fuck? What's going on there? You may never know. Dude, that guy has a shotgun. What the fuck are you doing? You see this guy like dancing? Is this to balance it out? So he just starts like dancing to Granny's house? That's so fucking funny, bro. That's so fucking stupid, bro. Okay, shotgun's still there. He's gone though. I'll take it with me just in case. Is it the master key? That's the master key. That's crazy. That's a shotgun part too.
Funky,
I'm sleeping in the fucking house now. I'm the boss. Chain cut? That's crazy. Fuck out of here, bitch. Winch is pretty good. Chill the fuck out. No, I'm gonna come up to you and just... Are we good? Granny's gonna be fucking stun locked. Okay, what do we do now? Okay, think. We've got wire cutter. We've got the winch. Where was the winch? Winch is here. Book. Fucking book 2. Oh my god, that shit's gonna get so annoying until it respawns. But that's the she's just gonna have a Granny on like an infinite block. On stairs, upstairs. This game is so buggy, bro. What is going on? We have nobody in here. Gunpowder, we don't need that. We might actually, because I've just left it on the other side of the house. Special keys, not bad. We can still hear it. I'm gonna take that hammer. Oh, reset. I wonder if she's over here. Yeah, she's over here. Okay, that was fun. Just instantly double tap both of them immediately after I respawned. Looking here for any items. That's good. Makes my life easier. Don't have to go downstairs. Take that. Let's check in here actually real quick. Nope, nothing. Don't waste that because that's a get out of jail free. Okay, where did I put the shotgun? Right there. If I'm spider keying, then the best place to leave this would be in here with the door locked. I've got to wait for it to actually drop the key though. That's kind of annoying. It is what it is. What else can we do in the meantime? I don't think there's anything we can do. I think we're full cleared. We can do this. Doubt there's going to be anything good in here though. A battery. Did it have the number anywhere? 2 minutes? What the fuck? That's so much longer than it used to be. Just getting the screwdriver before we go down. Is that the master key? We do have the master key, so... Can I just leave? I need padlock. I don't know why I was trying to open the door, like, padlock key wasn't clearly needed to be done. Still. Where's this fucking key? What's here? What's over here? It's the wrench. We don't need the wrench, because the wrench is boring. Has one use. The fucking bum-ass car ending, which I never go for. Nothing up there. Okay, we have exhausted quite literally almost everything. Playhouse key. Nice. 2. Meat. Meat is good. That's down there. That's a pretty bad spot to leave that, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna put this down. Remember guys, the spider's off, so it's free reign down here basically. Why'd I put the spider off? Because the spider's fucking lame. When I speedrun, I do not even... Spider doesn't really do anything. Apart from waste time. Granny is an actual, like, interesting threat. Spider is boring as shit to play against, so I tend to just leave her off. I forgot my screwdriver. I forgot to grab that biatch. Nope, this way. There it is. She's respawned. I wonder if she knows where the shotgun is. I wonder if they can unlock that. I'm not sure. I know she can bust it down. Sexual style and the door. Who knows? Maybe she'll open it, get the shotgun back for him? I don't know. Kinda doubt it. I feel like once you take the shotgun off of him, unless you leave it in front of him in his path, he's not gonna pick in an area like that where he's just not gonna go to. There's like no chance of him getting it. Is that the safe key? Jesus. Okay. Leave the melon there and I'll just throw this out. Please reach. Oh, I hit the roof. Never mind. There is a pretty difficult throw, but you can throw like small keys and stuff into the back of that trunk. I've done it before. Oh, here she comes. Jesus, that was scary. Nope, I don't need that. Could get the melon. I don't know where any of the fucking things are yet, so cogs are, so it's literally of no concern to me. What I do with the playhouse at the minute, it's not got the master key in it. And doubt I'll have the playhouse or the padlock key, because the padlock key is right fucking there and I've won, so GG. Easy mode complete. If you guys want to see normal, let me know. I'll do normal. Granny shotgun. Oh no, Grandpa Kane actually. I think the Kane will be easier. Grandpa Kane, Granny, normal mode. Leave like 1 like and I'll do it. 2 likes actually. 2 likes and I'll do it. Bye.
What the hell?